So I'm going to find a bird, and I was on the way to go to my friend's house, and I was also looking for a bird, and I just saw a robin flying. I went into somebody's backyard, so now I need to find a bird somewhere. If I find one, I'll probably tell you guys. So a lot of bugs. So anyways, what's your favorite bird? You can tell us in the comments or tell me anywhere. Okay. It's nice going on a walk to my friend's house because I do it pretty much every day. Not every day, because sometimes when I'm sick or grounded, I can't do it, but it's still fine. It's okay if I go to my friend's house if I'm sick or anything like that, guys, because it's okay. There's some people out there. Oh, and I see my friend Mason. I probably shouldn't record him, but here he is. He's riding his bike in his yard next to that truck. And I'm glad it's a little bit away from that truck. So yeah, guys. If you see a bird anywhere, just tell us in the comments and go back to look for it. Okay? Okay, do you still want to see my adventure? I'm sure you do. Come on! Let's keep on walking and walking and walking. And then everything's gonna be okay when I pick up that bird. I'll pet that bird that I'm going to find on my lucky day. I love Tuesdays. I really love Tuesdays. Like really love them because I could see both of my family members, my mom and my dad, on Tuesday. I see my mom less, but it's still okay. Well, I don't see any bird here, and I think we're not going to find one because I'm almost at my friend's house, so I'm gonna have to let you guys go. Well, I guess I can get the video going on until like we have to get inside my friend's house or talk to my friend, because I don't really want to do a face reveal for them yet, because yeah, I don't think they'd appreciate it, and I really don't want to talk while I'm talking to them. So yeah, guys, I'm right there. This is their house, but please don't kidnap them. They're just kids, and if you do, they'll probably tell me anytime I go to the house. So I'm right there. There's saw some birds in the air, but they were right there, so I couldn't pick them. So I think we're ready to go inside. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.